Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm out here on behalf of the Northwest Vintage Thunderbird Club today, and I'm here with Tom, the president of the club, and we're going to be looking at his 1964 T-Bird, which is my favorite year. I would like my car to look pretty much identical to his when it's done, other than the color of the interior.
Yeah, black interior instead of red.
So yeah, tell us about the car, Tom.
This 64 T-Bird was kind of a derelict car sitting in Vancouver when I picked it up in 2004. When I got it, the tires were flat, the windows were open, the bees were flying in and out of the inside of the car, and it was a real basket case. But I saw it. This is the car that I saw when I brought it home.
Yep, that's what I see when I look at my car too.
Yeah, so...
how much did you pay for the car when you bought it?
Oh, it was a nice $400.
$400 well spent, and look at it now.
Yes, but it probably should have been just hauled off to the crusher, the state that it was in. But it was an adventure. I had never restored a car, especially one in that condition. You know, I learned a lot, and I got to know a lot of wonderful people too. So, and they're still friends.
Yeah.
So that's the nice thing about these things.
This was our first day spending some time with other club members, and we had a really good time too. A lot of really nice people, very knowledgeable about vehicles, and everybody really willing to share the information and help somebody along who knows next to nothing, like myself. How long have you been the president of the club?
Oh man, I do not know that. I can't. How long have I been doing this? Probably 8 years, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think you said the club's been around since 1980. Is that right?
It was originally, 1980 or 81 was the
42 years.
origination.
42 years of this Thunderbird Club, and they've got T-Birds of every year. Was it from 55 to 2005?
We do, yes. Yeah, we're kind of lacking some of the 70s and 80s on there, but you know, they weren't highly collectible. But that's coming around. You know, as people find the ways and means in their later years, as they get older, they're able to find those cars that they had when mom and dad were driving around.
Yeah.
So those 70s and 80s cars are coming back.
I interviewed Steve earlier today, and he said that car was his grandpa's car, which I thought was really, really cool. He bought it like when it was like 6 years old or something, and it's been in the family ever since. So ever since 1966, his family has owned that car. And I thought that was a really, really cool story.
Nice history.
I'm hoping we get a lot of other cool stories. I'm going to be trying to interview basically every member of this club as I get the chance, and just listen to the stories of their cars and what they've gone through. And I mean, each one is a labor of love, and you can just see that looking at them. And it's just a pleasure. It's a real pleasure to be a member of this club. And
well, that's
I'm
good.
Really happy
that's good. We're glad that you found us, Wes.
Well, you found me, but I'm just glad that everything worked out and that we're here. So. Anyway, I appreciate the interview. Thanks a lot, Tom.
You're welcome.
And we will see you in the next episode.